Good morning, everyone. My name is Mayu Shirai. I live in Osaka. I live in Naniwa area, and this video is for the English speakers who live in Naniwa area, also living in Osaka City. We want to provide you the information about Osaka City. So today is just first episode, and we are still very experimenting it. So today, as an introduction, we want to talk about this city guide. So some of you already have this magazine, but probably don't know how to use it. So I will introduce you what's this and what's this about and how to use this magazine. But unfortunately, this is only in Japanese. So from the next topic, I want to know which topic you need to know, like which things you need to know. So give us a opinion and some question to us. Okay, so the first of all, I put some post-it for this magazine, and the first page I want to introduce is about the park. And as I know, some of you need a park, and Osaka City have so many parks. But today I just leave it. Maybe the next topic will be that. So the other things about this magazine is about the fitness gym. This is organized by the city center, so it's not private fitness gym. But Osaka City have the big gym, which have the skate rink or the big pool. And also in this magazine there is information about the emergency hospital, and also the other page they are explaining about when the natural disaster happen, like earthquake or the typhoon. Also how this is about the garbage, how to separate the garbage, because Osaka City is a little bit tricky to separate the garbage. That also will be the topic. And also about the healthcare, about also the like a nursing care for your kids. Also we have the list for the dental clinic, also the hospital. But as I said, this magazine is all Japanese, so we want to know which information you need about this. So this magazine have the information about the park, gym, hospital, doctor, dental clinic, about the how to separate the garbage, about the natural disaster, about the shelter. So please, so there is an email link we will put in this page. So please please feel free to ask email, and give us opinion, give us a question, so we can create the next topic, next episode. And this project is still very experimenting, and I honestly can say I'm no native English speaker, so I'm also just volunteering. But the idea is we want to give you the information even it's not paid. We just want to make Osaka City as a better place, because I know currently there are so many foreigner workers even in Osaka. So please feel free to ask. Please feel free to send us the email, and we are not sure whether we can answer your question or not, because we also working as the another business. But we will use your opinion as to create the next topic. So give us opinion, and we will try to answer your question. Always, we are happy to get your opinion. So that's all about it for today.